Welcome to Study Loop.
So now we'll work on problem 128 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're told about an organic base, aniline, which is important for the manufacture of dyes. It has a certain Kb, and in a manufacturing process, it is necessary to keep the concentration of the conjugate acid below 1.0 times 10 to the minus 9 in a solution that is 0.1 molar aniline. So we need to find the amount of sodium hydroxide, which will do this. So let's go ahead and write our reaction. So C6H5NH2, which is aniline, plus H2O produces the conjugate acid and also OH minus. So we need to start with this compound so that we can drive the equilibrium to the left and minimize the conjugate acid. So let's write down our ice table now. So we know that we start with 0.10 molar of, of aniline, 0.10 molar of aniline. And we don't start with any conjugate acid, but we want to start with a certain amount of conjugate of hydroxide, which we'll call C. So C is what we're solving for here. So based on the problem, we want our change of aniline conjugate acid to be plus 1 times 10 to the minus 9. And so it will be plus a minus 1 times 10 to the minus 9. So this is important here because we want our final equilibrium concentration of the conjugate acid, anilinium, to equal this value. So if we subtract 0.10, 1 times 10 to the minus 9 from 0.10, we'll get something that's practically the same. So it's going to be 9.99999. So we'll say that it's approximately equal to 0.1, unchanged. And then over here, we'll say that C plus 1 times 10 to the minus 9. So now we can set all of these terms here equal to Kb. So Kb is given in the problem as being equal to 4.3 times 10 to the minus 10. And so this will be equal to products over reactants. So we can since this we know is actually a value that is actually small, we eliminate it. And so we just do, since we're adding to C, we can afford to just eliminate it completely. And so we solve for C from this equation by multiplying by 0.1 and dividing by 1 times 10 to the minus 9. And we get C is equal to 4.3 times 10 to the minus 2. So the question is asking us, find the concentration of NaOH. So this here should be a molar value, since all of our values were molar in the table, 0.1 and 1 times 10 to the minus 9. So this here is the concentration of sodium hydroxide, which is necessary to keep the anilinium at this concentration.